Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the grab handle pocket, take our plastic prying tool. You can get these from 1aauto.com. And you go underneath gently and then kind of push it in and catch the metal tab and push it in and then up, and should pull right out. You might need to do the same thing on this side, but sometimes it'll pop right up. There's two metal tabs there, it comes right out. And remove the Phillips head screw that's inside here using a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that right out. Open up this little cover here to get the screw that's behind it using a small flat-bladed screwdriver. Just pop it open. There's a Phillips head screw in here. Remove that. Pop this cover off. So you can actually go up here with the plastic prying tool and kind of pry it up. And it's going to pry off the bottom in the same way. And then it's going to pull out this way, unhook. Probably have to open up this lever. So you're unhooking it from there too. The door trim is clipped into the metal part of the door. So I'm going to need to get in here and pull it from the clips. If you can't get your fingers underneath here, use a plastic prying tool. You can wedge the plastic prying tool in between the plastic and the metal. Just kind of find your way in here. Slide it down. I like to start at the bottom. Use a plastic prying tool, a bigger one. Find your way underneath. Like that, and then just pry out. Go along the edge. And then once you can get your hands in there, then you can start to pull out the rest of the clips. What's going to happen? It's going to lift up like this, and then the top of the door clips over the metal part and will lift it straight up. Now you need to unplug. This is the power window switch. So you're going to have to reach under here, find the lock. It's on this side. Push it in. Pull it out. The door panel can be removed and put aside. If one of your door clips stays stuck in the door, you take your clip puller tool and just put it in here, pop it out. You can push that back into the door panel and reuse it. These clips sit in here just like this, so just find the one that's missing, put them back in place, just slide it in. Now we can reinstall the door panel. Plug in our window switch. Just goes up from the bottom. It's keyed, it only goes in one way. The lock is kind of facing the outside. It goes in, it will click when it locks in place. We'll lift up our door panel. The top is curved. It's going to hang on the door panel just like that. So we'll start it up top. This doesn't matter if the window's up or down for this. It sits all the way down because that should go over the pull handle freely and get it lined up. Start to push it back in on the clips. Reinstall the Phillips head screw. Reinstall this trim cover. It does have a hook here, so you have to lift out this handle and slide it in, and then kind of hook it. And then it's got these tabs on both top and bottom that will push in and over the plastic. reinstall the screw. Oh, there we go. Push the door back in. Reinstall the little pull handle. There's an arrow, points outwards. So when you flip it this way, the arrow will be pointing this way. Just push it right back into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.